Sean Lewis spent years working here in California's state capitol as chief of staff for then Assemblymember Bill Asaley. Asaley is now the Trump administration's top federal prosecutor in Los Angeles, and Lewis is his new local liaison to law enforcement. Even though court records reveal Lewis has a long criminal history of his own. Lewis has been convicted of drunk driving 3 times in 3 different California counties. After his first conviction, a judge revoked his probation and issued a bench warrant when Lewis failed to enroll in a court-ordered DUI program. He was still on probation when he was arrested again, this time in Sacramento, convicted of a second DUI less than a year after his first. On his third conviction, his blood alcohol level was nearly twice the legal limit. He was sentenced to 120 days in jail and had to install a device that keeps his car from starting if it detects alcohol. Records revealed he was supposed to wear a Scram ankle monitor that detects alcohol because he was prohibited from drinking on probation. But his attorney argued he couldn't keep his job here at the state capitol with an ankle bracelet, so the judge gave him a pass. Lewis was still on probation with the no alcohol condition when Sacramento police arrested him in May for battery and public intoxication, according to the arrest report. He's accused of repeatedly punching a former Capitol intern in the head and throwing his phone on a roof so he couldn't call 911. So how did Lewis get hired at the U.S. Department of Justice? Well, federal hiring guidelines flag probation and certainly violating it as potentially disqualifying. Lewis was on probation when he applied, when he was hired, and he was arrested accused of violating that probation before he started the job. The U.S. Attorney's Office tells us it doesn't comment on personnel matters. The DOJ says that all employees go through a thorough background check. And Lewis's attorney tells us he's innocent and he looks forward to the opportunity to clear his name in court. Now, after we started asking questions, the Yolo County DA moved to revoke Lewis's probation for his third DUI. For CBS California Investigates, I'm Julie Watts.